that was fun. Okay. Have allergies. It is what it is. It's gonna be the last pass of the night. Very fun. I'm very proud of myself. No. After this, I'm done. It's my last one.
This is your last one?
Do you guys want to go together?
Yeah.
Regular tree or pro tree?
Pro?
Whichever one.
Pro?
Bro. You're a natural.
What?
You're a natural.
Oh, what the fuck? That's the fastest I've ever been.
Fastest is 10-1.
10-1? Yo, fucking respect, man.
Alright, let's do it, baby. Twice. Twice! Oh, that was fun.